Linear amplifiers need stable voltages, or the entire signal falls apart. That's why Zener diodes are essential for clean, stable amplifier performance. So, what is a Zener diode? It's a special type of diode designed to operate in reverse breakdown mode. Think of it like a pressure relief valve for electricity. When the voltage across it exceeds its specific limit, it opens up and clamps the voltage, keeping everything stable on the other side. Here's how it works. Below its specific Zener voltage, or VZ, it blocks current just like a regular diode. But once the reverse voltage reaches VZ, it starts to conduct and holds that voltage steady. This happens even if your main power supply fluctuates. It's the perfect component for analog circuits that demand precision, so why do we use them in linear amplifiers? Well, amplifiers need a stable bias point to stay in their linear operating region. Any drift in this bias can cause distortion. A simple Zener diode paired with a resistor creates a low-cost, effective voltage reference for transistor or op-amp stages. This is great for audio amps, industrial sensors, differential amplifiers, or even DIY guitar preamps where you might be dealing with noisy power sources. Let's look at a practical circuit. Here's a common setup: a 5.6 volts Zener diode and a 1000 ohms resistor. Once the input supply goes above 5.6 volts, the Zener kicks in and clamps the voltage, providing a constant 5.6 volts reference. This keeps the transistor's bias stable, reduces distortion, and prevents signal drift, even if your main supply jumps from 9 volts to 12 volts. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. First, forgetting the current limiting resistor. Without it, you'll burn out the Zener diode almost instantly. Second, using a Zener with the wrong voltage. This will shift the bias point and could cause your signal to clip. And third, installing it the wrong way around. Remember, Zeners are designed to run in reverse bias. Always check the polarity. For applications needing higher precision, Zeners aren't your only option. Dedicated voltage reference ICs like the LM440 or TL431, or even simple linear regulators like the 78L05 offer better accuracy and thermal stability. A good rule of thumb is to use Zeners for simple, low-cost designs and use dedicated reference ICs for high-performance amplifiers. In the end, Zener diodes are simple but incredibly effective tools for stabilizing bias and improving amplifier reliability. Just remember to choose the right voltage, use a current limiting resistor, and double-check your connections. Do that, and your analog designs will stay clean and consistent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more electronics tips.